DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump media stock sitting at $34.99. Wow. Okay, I am looking for a buy first of all. So just for context, I'm using a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions in 2023, 2024. And I'm telling you all this because it is like literally the truth and I've documented everything. So DJT, unless the price like gives me a clean double break here for right now, man, I'm not gonna buy. Like, it's really that simple. Who am I gonna be here trying to cause like a reversal or just guess a reversal? I'm assuming, without assuming, I'm pretty much just reacting. So by reacting, I mean if I see a double break, then I'm bullish. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.